First, we'll start by removing the outer packaging. The box is a sleek, white design with the Apple logo in the center. Once the outer packaging is removed, we see the AirPods Pro case nestled inside a white foam insert. We lift the foam insert out of the box to reveal the AirPods Pro case. The case is a glossy white design with a flip-open lid. We open the lid of the case and see the AirPods Pro earbuds nestled inside. The earbuds have a sleek, black design. Next, we remove the earbuds from the case and notice that they are connected by a small wire. See that there are several additional ear tip sizes included in the box. Finally, we locate the charging cable and plug it into the back of the case to begin charging the earbuds. And that's it. That's the unboxing of the AirPods Pro 2nd Gen.